Alright, what is up guys? JaretCampisi here with my full carbon Ducati Panigale. This is actually a giveaway bike. If you're interested in checking out any of those details, check out the first link in the description below. It's just patreon.com/Campisi Customs. But that's not what this video is about today. I wanted to do a short video just showing you some exhaust from this bike because all of our videos are pretty long, the build series videos. So I just want to do a short video, show you how the full titanium Akra exhaust sounds on this motorcycle, and that's all the video is going to be about. So sit back, relax, and enjoy some motorcycle exhaust. So Christina is going to do the honors for us. She's going to start it up and do some revving. And what I'm going to do is just kind of sit in different places and let you guys hear it. Then we're going to get some flyby shots, and I'm also going to record with my GoPro as well. So this is a 2015 Ducati Panigale that we've spec'd in full carbon. It also has a full titanium akrapovic exhaust system, and it has a Sprint air filter and a rapid bike fuel controller, auto fuel controller. So go ahead and start that up, teens. I'll just stay like right here and see if we can get some good sound here.
That was killer, wow.
It sounds ridiculous. It's unfortunate that cameras really don't pick it up. We've got a good microphone on this, so hopefully it comes through. But I think
probably will muffle it out.
Yeah, I think hopefully it comes through. I'm gonna hop on the bike now and
we'll have some GoPro footage too, so.
Yeah, and we'll do some flybys and give you some GoPro footage, so stay tuned. It's just out of control, guys. Alright guys, so I hope that came through well on the microphone. That is what a full titanium akrapovic exhaust system sounds like, with the rapid bike fuel controller, the Sprint air filter, on a full carbon 1299 Ducati Panigale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, we've got a couple episodes left for the giveaway, so if you guys want to be entered to win this motorcycle, check out the Patreon page. It's linked in the description below. And if you enjoyed the video, hit a thumbs up, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.